to deliver the presidential address. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, most respected the speaker of the day, Dr. Dhanasekaran, Innovation Ambassador, IIC Convener, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology from Hyderabad. Thank you for joining with us, sir. And also, we are a pleasure to have you because this online, the pandemic COVID is gave a way to interact with the people from a long distance. So hope this session will be a great eye opener for our students. And also I welcome respected head of Biomedical Engineering Department, Dr. Arun, Vice President, Dr. Sundaramurthy, Convener Mohanpriya, and EC Coordinator, Dr. Puhlendi, and the event coordinator, Dr. Bhaskar, and the various HODs of various departments, and dear participants, the future entrepreneurs. So continuously through this Institution Innovation Council, we are organizing a lot many programs. The main objective of such programs is not to get information or knowledge alone, but the outcome should be the young, to motivate the young entrepreneurs to bring out new startups while you are studying itself. So even now, more than 10 students, they have registered their startups in our institution. We want that also to be very active, and there should be a great output. The same way, lot many students are eager to bring their own startups. So this session on intellectual property, IPRs and IP management for startup will give you a clear picture how to register your startups, how to bring an IPR. So dear students, be interactive and gain more information from the guest speaker, and try to come out with some value addition. With this, let me conclude, and I wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind acceptance. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I welcome A. Kavya from 3rd Medical Electronics to deliver the introduction of chief case.
Good morning, everyone. Dr. R. Dhanasekaran is working as a professor and head of Center for Incubation Innovation, Research and Development, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. He has completed BE from Namakkal University. He has around 15 years of specialization, include material characterization, where morphology, failure analysis, composite materials, and tribology. He has published 35 research papers in Scopus indexed journals. He has 12 Indian patents. Dr. R. Dhanasekaran has undergone online training and got certified as Innovation Ambassador from MOE Innovation Cell, Government of India in 2021. He has head of IIC from 2019 onwards. In IIC 3.0, Zion IT get 287 reward points and mentor institutions under the funding scheme. The coordinated various innovation activities at college level and invited conduct various workshops on design thinking and IPR patent drafting and filling to faculty and students. He served as resource person for various colleges in all India level. He mentors the student teams to participate in various competitions and produced more than 6 entrepreneurs. He received more funds from AICTE various schemes. He is the nodal coordinator of NIRF, ARIIA, NISP and CAI. GNIT received ARIF Band B in 2020 and Excellence Award in 2021. Also, he is coordinator of IQAC and received NAC A+ and 10 years autonomous status from 2020 onwards. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kavya. Now I call upon the keynote speaker, Dr. R. Dhanasekaran, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So thank you, Kavya, for giving a very elaborate introduction about me. And I thank Paavai Institution Principal, Dr. M. Premakumar sir, for giving the opportunity to interact with the students. And also I thank event organizer, Dr. K. Bhaskar. I thank to convener, Dr. R. Mohanpriya, Vice President Dr. K. Sundaramurthy, and EDC Coordinator Dr. P. Puhlendi. Thank you, Ananda. Shall I start my session?
Yes, sir. You can start.
Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. You can see.
Okay, right. Okay, dear participants, this is through online mode. Any technical issue, my slide is not moving, or some other any problem. Okay, kindly interact with me. Kindly inform to me. Okay, so today our topic is IPR and IP management for startups. So before that, I thank our management, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, and as well as my principal for giving the opportunity in sharing my awareness, whatever I know, I heard, I got information from outside. Okay, whatever I learned, that I have to go and share to you. So as per your request from event organizer, this is for eye-opening session for IPR and IP management for startups. So here, this is for the outlook. Okay, first we are going to discuss what is the IPR, then what is the IP management, then startups. Okay, how these IPR is going to support the startups, then what is the startups first of all. Okay, so I think here some engineering students, BTech or some other students. Okay, so first of all you have to aware what is the startup. Okay, here I am going to discuss design thinking, critical thinking, creativity thinking, innovative design, and what are the opportunities are there to start the startup. Okay, so in general, so the intellectual property rights, that is called as the IPR. So intellectual means is a letter to the intellect. So I am thinking new way. Okay, for example, we know that every home we have the refrigerator. Okay, always we open from right side. Okay, so this side we open the door. If you fix the door in this side, okay, this is called as another one innovation. Okay, so I am fixing one component here instead of that. Okay, I am fixing the left side. So there some efficiency is able to increase. That is called as the innovative. Okay, so that is my innovative ideas. Ideas or something. Okay, so whatever that I have to come with that one. That is called the relating to the intellect. So, for example, I am purchasing a new. Okay, so I am purchasing a new car. Okay, so that car is my own property. Okay, so I can use my car wherever I am going or whatever the purpose I can use, or I give the rental purpose also. Or after that, if I don't want, I can sell that one. Okay, so that is my property. Same like that, whatever I have the idea. Okay, related to the innovation. Okay, that idea I have, that is called as my property. Okay, so anybody climb or anybody theft my idea, or anybody without my knowledge, without my permission, they may use. Okay, so my ideas anywhere. Okay, I can climb. That is, I have the rights. Okay, so that is called as a moral or legal entitlement to have or do something. Okay, so I can climb the legal acts. I can take through the as per the laws. Okay, so these called as the intellectual property rights. I think you may aware what is the IPR. Okay. So what is the IP management? Okay. So IP management in terms of intellectual property management. Okay. So is actively engaged in conducting arts such as drafting, filing of patent applications, coordinating with various IP firms. Okay. That is autonomy globally. Okay, for mobilizing pro-bono or paid support for the grassroots innovation of filing patents, trademarks, and other meanings of IP protections on behalf of. So, okay, for example, I want to file one particular innovation. So I don't know how to file. Okay, so that autonomy they support me for filing that one. That system is called as a management system. Now the authorized management system, okay, is that we can approach. They will write all the forms, if they are filling the form 1, form 2, form 3, form 8, form 18. Okay, so like that, or according to the necessary, and they will submit the right time. They will guide you and for achieving the grants. Okay, so this system is called as the IP management. Okay, so here what happened? It's IP management also provide legal assistance. Okay, they will give, for example, somebody they theft my property. Okay, this is my idea. Okay, what happened? They will give guidance to me. Okay, so how I can able to hold my rights. Okay, that legal assistance to the inventor in the what that for drafting license arrangement or providing legal assistance to the innovator in dealing with the issue of infringement of the IP rights. Okay, these type of supporting also we can take from the that IP management. Okay, so these are the called as the IP right. Yeah. So what is the startup? Okay, so what is a startup? Startup is a new established business. Okay, for example, I'm first of all you aware what is the startup as well as the entrepreneurship. Okay, or enterprise. I'm purchasing one product from outside or some other manufacturer. Okay, I'm selling to the one. So here I'm coming under the entrepreneur. Okay, the startup means I have some idea. I through my idea I develop somewhat, okay, and that idea I am going to sell in the market. Okay, so these here I am coming under the startup. The start that is called as a new established business. That is also enterprise also business, startup also business. But here this is newly established. Just now I started. Okay, so here again the TRL level we can divide. Okay, 0 to 9 level, and up to the 3 we go for the pre-incubation, incubation. Okay, all those things. Okay, it's come under that. Later we discuss all those things. So in generally, the startups or companies or ventures that are focused on a single product or service that founders want to bring to the market. Okay. For example, I have small land. Okay. I am going and cultivate some vegetables or fruits. Okay. That fruits I make it some innovative packing. Okay. And I am going to sell. Okay. That is called as the startup. Okay. The innovatively, attractively, okay, mode or transparency somewhat. Okay. So I'm going for selling. That is called as the startups. Okay, so same like that we can say anything. Okay, one product is there, I am changing that product design and I go and register, and then according to that one I am taking the manufacturing, then I am going for selling in the market. Okay, so that is called as the startups. Right. So this is for our IPR homepage in our government of India. Okay, so if you go here, all details are available. Okay, I am giving some idea tips to you how to look all those things. Okay, here you can see very clearly the given details is the patent, design, trademarks. Okay, and GI and RGNIP. Okay, so here all the details there, what are the schemes are there, everything here you can get the details. Okay, right. So this is the history of the IPR. Okay, in the 1856. Okay, it's the Act 6 of 1856 they started. Okay, so under based on the British patent law of 1852. Okay, then they are established again for the re-modify these construction in the 15th patent monopolies called as the executive preference. Here also the after 14 years, okay, so we can file and we get the rights. The 1872 again the act, the patent and the design production act is introduced. Then 1883, okay, the productions of inversion act is introduced. Okay, then 1888, okay, the consolidated as the innovator act also remodified. Then 1911 is the Indian Patent and Design Act is remodified. Then right now we are in the pattern amendment. That act is 2015. Okay. So recently 2016 also the startup related some amendment also implemented. Okay. So these are the office of controller grant patents. Okay, design and trademarks. Okay, so here you look here, Chennai. Okay, the geographical indication register. Okay, so this is the special office at Chennai. Okay, so the Kolkata is a design office. Okay, you go Delhi, it's a copyright office here, and Nagpur. Okay, so these for the intellectual property. So here what happened? The office taking care of all those things. Okay, so the trademark registry. Okay, Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai, and Ahmedabad. All is there, they're taking care. Okay, that SCI, CLD, they're taking care of Delhi. Okay, the patent office is available Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, and Mumbai. Okay, so these are the structures, office structures. Okay, we can go for design. You can design related directly. You can file in the Kolkata, or if you want to file in the Chennai also, that they will forward to all the documents to Kolkata. Okay, so they will evaluate and they will do the process. Okay, they will award grants. Okay. So these are the office, okay. Patent office for Mumbai, it's covered for the Maharashtra and Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Chhattisgarh, and the Union Territory and Devon. Okay, all the places here it's they are covering the Mumbai. The Chennai is Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Pondicherry and the These of the Union Territory. And New Delhi, they are taking care of the Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and the Union Territory, Chandigarh, Jammu, Kashmir, and Lakshadweep. Okay, all other rest of the India, it's taking care of the Kolkata. Okay, so these are the area they are divided, and majorly the Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, and Kolkata. The four offices are there. In Chennai, in the nearby Guindy, that office is there. Okay, so here we can file for the offline or online, both of them is possible. Okay, so these are the contact number details. Okay, so office persons. Okay, these for Delhi, this is for the Mumbai. Okay, and here this is for the Chennai, this is for the Kolkata. Okay, so these are the contact details and the email ID and the in charge head of the office. Okay, so what is the patent? Okay, so first we know that what is the idea about the IPR. Now, what is the patent? Okay, so here I am making something new. Okay, I have some idea. I have some problem. In that problem, I have solution also. The solution, okay, it's a new novelty. Okay, so then what happened? I can register my idea. Please understand, I can register my idea. Okay, so I'm facing while speaking the mobile phone, and for that I'm facing one particular problem. Till now, no any rectification or solution in this mobile phone. So what happened? I'm thinking towards that one according to my technical knowledge. Okay, then I'm giving the one solution. That solution we can file. Okay, we can file and we can get the grants also. Okay, so these called as the what that patent. Okay, so that patent I can sell. Okay, so for example, I can't able to go for the market manufacturing. What happened? Those who are doing the manufacturing, I can sell the person. Okay, I'm asking to do the what happened. So I can sell with some profit. Okay, right. So what is the terms of patent in Indian system. Okay, so usually the very young engineers, okay, they may think for some questions, they can ask to me. That's the reason I'm here. I make it is a question and the answer format. So what is the terms of the patent in the Indian system? So here every patent granted is 20 years. Okay, so once the patent is granted, okay, so that patent applicable up to 20 years. After that, that patent goes to the society. Okay, I am speaking about the patent. Okay, right. So from date of filing, now this year, today date is 10/4/2022. Today I am going and file the patent. Okay. So what happened today onwards, the patent life is started. Okay. Then I'm next year I am going for the examination. Then after 1 year, the patent is granted. Okay. So what happened? So already 2 years over. So again, the 18 years I can utilize that grant. That is, I have the rights. Okay. After 20th, from the filing date, from today onwards, after 20 years, okay, it is going to the society. Okay. So anyone, they can utilize that one. So that is the law. Okay. So then we have for the PCT. PCT is the Patent Cooperation Treaty. Elaborately we discuss later. Okay, this also is a 20 years. Okay, so we can utilize. Okay, so what are the criteria for patentability? Okay, so sir, I have an idea. So that idea immediately we can't file. That idea should be novel. Okay, so the novel, the old days. Okay, so your mother or grandfather, they will read so many novels. Okay, the novel one to another one is a very uniqueness. Okay, so the story is different, the thinking is different, approaching is different. Okay, there we, while reading, we can, our imaginary power will induce more. Okay, nowadays everything in the picture mode or the video mode. Okay, so what happened? So that should be in the novel. It should be reflect something new. Okay, in the new way, new innovations. Okay, it should have intensive steps. Okay, somewhat. Okay, it's what that the efficiency level, we have to show that one. Okay, it should be capable of industrial applications. So after my idea, I am thinking idea, that is a new novel. Okay, that is also innovation. Okay, that is not applicable in the industry, means that is totally is a waste. Okay, so I have to apply somewhere. Okay, that is industrial application. That may any industry. Okay, what type of innovations are not patentable in India? Okay, so here I am giving some example to you. Okay, so can there first we have, what that we have to satisfy the condition of the novelty. That is very important. Okay, the inventableness and usefulness. So after finding my innovation, no use to anyone. Okay, so everyone fear that one, means definitely it's a harmful. That is no, not patentable. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so that is not against the natural law. Okay, that is inversion, the primary or intended use or commercial explanation of which could be contrary to public order or morality, or which cause serious prejudgment of human or animal or plant life or health or environment, anything. Okay, it's against, that is not permission to for the innovation or the patentable. Same like that is already some theory. Okay, so calculations, some other laws are there. That laws we can't. Okay, so we can modify little bit. We can, but entirely we can't change. That is also very difficult. Okay, then already some substance is there. The substance we can't change. Okay, already the thermodynamics law 1, 2, 3 is there. With that we can't change anything. Okay, so that type of also not possible for filing the patent. Okay, same like that. Okay, So some agriculture method, okay, or some other rearrangement or duplications, okay, I can't go anything, okay. Then if I am say for the mathematical or business method or computer program, okay, as per algorithms, okay, these I can't file the patent. That is separate, okay, that is comes under the separate. For example, my algorithm is a new algorithm, means I can't file the patent. That is comes under the separate category, right? So literacy, dramatic, musical, artistic work, okay, all okay. So the cinema graphics, television productions, whatever it is, not what that we can't file under the patent. Okay, that everything comes under the copyrights, some other trademarks, all those things. Here, how can I apply? It means there is a form. Okay, the prescribed specified forms are there. That form I have to fill and I submit with along with the abstract specification, diagram. Okay, so descriptions, everything I have to write. And my clients, what are my clients? I can write maximum 10 clients. Okay, if we go for more than 10 clients, the separate fee we have to pay. Okay, so then my clients are less than 10. Okay, up to 1 year I can add any clients. Okay, after 1 year I can't add any clients. Okay, so these are procedure to come for the filing. Okay, right. These are the charges they are claiming for each every patent. Okay, application for the grant of patents, they are claiming for applicant is in the natural person. So the other natural persons is 1600 rupees they are claiming. Okay, so some other entry for startups related, if you go company related, go is a fees, that fees is high. Okay, so the professional completion specification, no fee, no need to pay anything. And if you request for early publication, you have to pay 2500. Okay, and if you ask early for examination, okay, then you have to pay is a 4500. So nowadays is these 1600 rupees as well as for the 4000 rupees. These 4000 rupees, okay, and the totally is 5600 rupees. The government they are giving under the Kapila scheme. Okay. So right now is the 18th May 22 is the phase 2 last date. Okay, on institution level, we have to submit the patent up to 10. Okay, they are granting for 5600 rupees. Okay, for filing the patent. So these 5600 for the filing the patent as well as for the examination. Okay, we have that separate format. Everything is there. We have to fill under the Ministry of Innovation Education, and here for the that Kapila program phase 1 already over. Now its last date is 18th May 22. Okay, these opportunity utilize and file the patent. Okay, right. So this is for the procedure for filing the patent. Okay, so here what happened? I am filing one application. That application is go for the complete specification. Okay, so already I done all my works. Okay, so immediately I am going for filing that one. Otherwise, I am doing that work. I have idea. I am doing that work. What happened? Immediately I approach to patent office and I file under the professional specification. Okay, so two ways. So with the professional specification, I am filing here. I am otherwise I have completed all the works. Again, I can file it here. What happened? I am doing. I am thinking the same concept. Okay, so the X person also they are thinking the same persons. Okay, but here what happened? I am doing my works very sincerely to complete, and I plan to go for the patent. But the X person is thinking the same one somewhere, okay, and he is not doing anything, but he filed first in the patent office, means he is approached to the file patent office for filing the patent. Then I am going later after completion my idea. Okay, so both of them same way means the first period is for X only because he is only approaches first to the patent office. Okay, so he only able to claim all. So that's the reason if you have any idea, okay, that is also comes under the professional specification. First you go for the filing. Okay, no need to wait. Okay, no need to wait anything. So after professional, I can't able to do anything means okay. So automatically is the abandoned. It's up to 1 year. You have to submit the complete specification. Okay. So after after 1 year, it is going for again for the publication. Okay. Until 1 year, that they will wait for you. Okay, for submission and the completion of the specification. If you submit for all completion means directly it is going for the publication. They will publish your details in the journal. Okay, so in the patent journal. Okay, everyone they can see your one. Any problem is there, they will call you for some complaints. Anything is there. Okay, and then no anything is there. Again is going for the examination. Again the examination. Again for they are calling for you for giving the explanation. They will ask some queries. Okay, according to you have to give the clarification. Then after 6 months, out what that first evaluation report. After that, you have that 6 months you have time to clear. Or if you want anything, they will give 3 more months also for clearing all those things. Okay. So if you rectify all the issues means they will grant your patent. Otherwise, your patent will be abandoned. Okay. So these are the structure flow chart for the patent. Okay. Easily we can understand. So here what happened? I am suggesting you. Okay. If you have any idea, immediately go for the professional specification. Then after that, within 12 months, you will go for the publication. Okay. No need to wait for until completion. Okay. So if you have confidence to complete your idea, okay, is come under the prototype model. Okay, definitely you can go. Correct. So here that application patent, okay, you can fill in the Hindi or English. Okay, then uh, the types of applications, okay, the professional application, ordinary application, conventional application, PCT international application, PCT national based application, patent of additions, divisional applications. So many applications is there under that. Okay, the professional application, if you go, it is comes under the uh, professional level. Okay, ordinary application for the completion level. Okay, if you want to go for the international, use for the PCTs also. Right. So here what happened is startup India already we seen lot of places. Okay. So make in India, startup India, digital India. Okay. These three slogans. Okay. Started in the 2000. Okay. So here that if you register your company or you have some idea, that idea after that you are developing. Okay. That idea you have to keep the rights. Okay, that is your property. Okay, the property you have to get the rights. So already I said I am purchasing one new car means that car, RC book, everything in my name. Then only I can claim that is my car. Okay, RC book is what happened. The name is other name means I can't claim anything. Okay, the legally I can't claim anything. So same like that, this idea innovation should be reflect in my name. Okay, that is very important. So here what happened, once your idea is there, you plan for selling the next level. Okay, but first you go for the IPR and register it, come and you are the owner, you can sell your product to the market. Okay, and then you go register under the startups of India, then they will support you lots. Okay, so they will give whatever you your expenditure to filing the IPR, everything they will refund you. Okay, yeah. So here what happened? The startups intellectual property protections. This policy is introduced in the 2016. Okay, so under that, whatever the you are spending the amount, everything, the amount, that amount, okay, is refundable, or they will give the financial support to for filing the patent. Okay, that is also you can utilize. Okay, the next is the international patent. Okay, so I am not elaborately discussed about the international patent. Okay, so here somewhat is some idea. So actually, the entire world. Okay, so no worldwide patent is not available. Okay, still now. If you want to go for some country wise, okay, the 10 countries, the 16 countries, along with some under we can apply for Australia patent means because we have to go for the separate Australia, Singapore. Okay, so whatever we want, we have to go for the filing separately. US is patent, okay, or Canada patent. So like that, some countries, okay, they will come for under the one thing. Okay, there we have to go and file. There it's called as the international application of foreign countries. Okay, there two system is there. One is the Paris Convention, another is the CCT system. Okay, so that is WIPO is called as the World Intellectual Property Organization. There they are also publishing your patent paper, all those things. Okay, you can claim your rights also. You are thinking for the international level business. Okay, you can go under this. Okay, so otherwise you think only for India level your publication for the business means you can file in the in our Indian patent itself. Okay. So still now we are discussing about only for patent. Now I am moving to the design. Okay, so patent is different, design is different. Okay, so what are the things comes under the design? For example, one shape. Okay, so you can see the water bottle. Okay, once I am going for the purchasing the water bottle. Okay, there are so many companies are there. So each and every company you look at, the shape, outer shape maybe is the same, but inside some grooves, okay, all those things are different. The shape, configuration, pattern, ornaments, okay, some lines or some other different combination of the colors. Okay, so these all, okay, so these all comes under the design. This type of also we can see. For example, this is a pencil. Okay, so if I look this pencil, I can say this company name. Okay, so if I look any one product, okay, if I take this pen, if I look this pen, I no need to look the name. Okay, so what happen? I can say this is what is the name of the pen. Okay, so what is the company name? I can able to say. Okay, so this is the uniqueness. This design, this color, this shape. Okay, this configuration, these lines. Okay, the patent. Okay, the everything. Okay, is the uniqueness. Okay, so this is what that comes under the design patent. Okay, so here these also we can use this one. Oh, okay, so okay, sir. So I can able to file under the design all those things. No. Okay, here I am giving some list to you. Okay, these are the what that items we can't file under the design patent. Okay, so what are the books, calendar, certificates, some forms, document, dressmaking patents, greetings cards, pamphlet, leaves, maps. Okay, so postcards, stamps, medals. These are items we can't go for that under the design patent. Okay, so building structures, okay, all those things we can't use. The flag, emblem, okay, the signboard, okay, so these we can't comes under the, it's not comes under the designs. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, right, this is the flow chart. Again, same like that is the pattern. Okay, so how we can go for the design application? First we have to file the applications, then is what happened is the numbering dating of the application according to they call for the examination. Then is no objection means is going for directly is acceptance, okay, and that notification will come on the journal. Then they will issue the certificate. Or okay, so any issue is there under in the examination, okay, again it's going for the re-examination. Then again is if you complete that objection, everything means again going for acceptance. Again they will issue the certificate. Or the what happened? Your design is not up to the mark. Okay, it's not coming under the design means is directly they will reject your application. Okay, so any problem is there? Somebody is coming forward. This is my idea. Like that means again it is going for the court level. Okay, you have to clear that issues all those things in the court level. Then they will come for the acceptance. Again they will issue the certificates. Okay, these are some procedures is there. So that's the reason here up to court also they will go and claim. So, okay, this is my design. They will claim this one. Okay, like that. Okay, so that time you have to pay lakh or crore of rupees for the penalty or fine. Okay, that's the reason before going you have to go for the search. Okay, so these are the available or not. Okay. Then the next one is the trademarks. Okay, the trademarks previously first we discussed about for the patent. Next is the design. Now it's the trademark. Okay, so trademarks. What are the trademarks? I'm showing some example to you. Okay, so these are the trademarks. I think definitely you've seen so many symbols. Okay, definitely you've seen so many symbols. Okay, these are the trademarks. Once I see Adidas means definitely I know that what is the product. If I see Sony, okay, so I know that what are the products comes under that. Nestle, Bosch, IKEA, okay. So like that I can say once the name I can able to image the what are the products comes under the these logos. Okay, this is a special. Okay, so Red Bull. Okay, I know that what. Here also some steps are there. Okay, first one is to search for the unique brand logo. Okay, before filing the our trademarks. Okay, so we have to search previously available or not. Okay, so otherwise definitely they will climb through court. Okay, we have to pay the amount. Okay, the lakh or crore. Okay, level. Okay, then is after searching, okay, it's not there. Okay, then you go for the draft of applications. Okay, file the registration. Then it's going for the trademark application. Then they will analyze that application. Then they will publish in the journal. Okay, no any issue means they will release the certificate. Okay, then you can use that one, Reliance. Okay, so that Reliance Trends. Okay, so digital and that electronics, these electronics like that, we can use that logo. Okay, you look here, I'm showing some example to you. So they climbed, okay, they climbed their trademarks. Somebody they misused. Okay, so the Dish TV, one particular the Dish TV India, they climbed. They announced previously for free dish. Okay, the free dish like that, some symbol they already they registered and what that they given the advertisement. The later Prasad Bharati, they are also they use the same logo and they are also announced something. I mean, immediately they went for the filing. Okay, the court case. Okay, again some issues they will rectify later. Okay, same like that. So many issues are going. Okay, so they will file means you have to what happened? You have to pay more money. Okay, the lakh or crore rupees like that it will come. So many issues. I am giving here some examples. Okay, and with their registration number also I given. Okay, for some other benefits. So next, I'm moving for the copyrights. Okay, so the copyrights means again first previously we discussed the patent, then design, then is the trademark. Now is the copyrights. Okay, the copyrights it's different. Okay, here what happened? I'm writing one article. The article is my thoughts. Okay, so now you look here. I reviewed a lot of books. Past 10 years, I'm reviewing a lot of books related to the patent, copyrights, trademarks, all those things. I went library. I took one books. I review all. Okay, the textbook itself they mention is the copyrights. Okay, but after reviewing the textbook, I can able to interact with the others. That is no need for getting any copyrights. Okay, so I no need to apply to the book author. Okay, I want rights to discuss this matter to the outside people or society or my students in my classroom. Okay, no need to ask any permission. But I take the book. Okay, I take soft copy. I go for another different type of format, and I am selling to society means that is the offense. Okay, definitely they will climb. Okay, so here I have some article. I written the paper or some other message. Okay, or some what that Russia and Ukraine about the war. I am writing some script. Okay, I am publishing. Okay, that I can take is the copyright. The same format they can use. Okay, so same as dramatic, musical, article works. Here is comes under the copyright. Okay, so here I can able to claim anything. Okay, where I am the one musical director. Okay, so I composed one song. Okay, the same like that song composition. Okay, so any language. Okay, they can't use. That is very important. Here is very important. Cinematography, films, and the sound recording also is the same only. The same type of sounds also I can't use. Okay, that is very important. So here you look the copyrights. The previous slide in the center, I am using copyrights, all rights reserved. These, if you type copyrights in the Google, okay, you can see this one. Okay, the right side you look. Okay, the image may be subjected to copyrights. Okay, so somebody they created this one, they may apply. Okay, it's a copyright. Okay, so this C letter along with the circle you can't apply for the copyrights. Okay, so down copyrights all rights reserved like this. Okay, position you can apply. Okay, so right side you look is a symbol along with circle. Okay, some pharmacy name. Okay, so I can go for the copyrights. Okay, yeah. So look here. You know this is what is the company that one. Definitely, we all of them know this is a Parker pen. Okay, once we look, automatically we can say there the Parker pen that fountain pen. It's what is the system I am using the for the fluent, how it is flowing to there. Okay, that process I can apply in the patent. Okay, then the out sketch, the design. Okay, this design in the form of drawing, I can go for the design patent. Okay, then I'm coming out for is a Parker symbol. Okay, that cap and okay, that type of area, I can go for the trademarks. Okay, the Parker P symbol, that arrow, everything, I am going for the other trademarks. Okay, so here I am writing about this pen. Okay, what is the uniqueness of this pen? Everything, the script is comes under the copyright. Okay, So here you look, I can file anything under the copyrights, okay, for literacy or some other music or something. Okay, it's lifetime of the author. So my lifetime, okay, until my end of the day, okay, I can claim this one, and after that plus 60 years, okay. So that's the reason everyone they are scaring to take, okay. Is it clear? So, for example, if I'm using sound record or public understand taking, okay. So these are some photographs. Everything is come under the copyright. Okay. Here I am showing some pictures to you. Already we know that some issues. Okay, the copyright issues. Our famous actor. Okay, that is also we know that. Then the right side, you look here the picture. It's previous is a old one. Okay. Now this is the right side is the new one. Okay. So after what happened, they claimed this is my photo, same like that. Okay. So they what happened? Everything they claimed, they verified, and they settled crore of more than crore rupees. Okay. So they settled outside. Then here you look, it's Obama. The right side is the one actor. Okay. It's advertisement. And this is also what happened. They went for the court and they settled outside of the court, all those things. Okay. So this is very, very important. Okay. Before we giving that one. Okay. So that imitation is not that. That is very, very important. Okay. Yeah. So up to now we are discussing about the IPR, IP management. Okay. So what are the system is there for filing our ideas, innovations, okay, our script, all those things. So now we enter in the startups. So definitely now you can have the startup means definitely we go for the marketing. There are so many competition is there. Our product should be unique. Then only we can able to withstand in the market or we can do the business. Okay, the already we discussed the startups means it's the initial stage. Okay, the initial stage of our enterprise. Okay, right. Here they are giving more awards. Okay, those who are running the startups very successfully. Okay, so here also, if you have any startups or your parents, they are doing some business, or your neighbors, or your family members, or some other relatives, if may do the work means any startup means okay. You look it, you can able to interact, and you think you apply your technical knowledge there, and some innovatively okay. You go and do the work okay. That works okay automatically. You can apply the here is the award okay. That is up to 15th April. You have time to apply. Okay, so this one opportunity is there. Already I said is the Kapila. Okay, so there is phase 2 is there up to 18th May 2022. Here is the 15th April 22. You have chance to apply. Just now the last month we closed for the Smart India Hackathon and MSME proposals. Okay, now is they are announcing this under that. Apart from if you have any company or your father is doing the business, you can apply these under the ICAT Auto and Mobility Product Acceleration. That is also 17th April 22. Its time is there. And if you comes under the fisheries, okay, there also you can apply. Okay, they are giving fund to you. Okay, according to that. Then you, if you have the water pitch, any idea or your company, they are supporting that. They are also giving some funding up to 20 lakhs of each one. Okay, that is also time up to 11th May 2020 is there. So like that, the government of India through Ministry of Education, okay, the Ministry of Education Innovation Cell, they are encouraging the new startups. Okay, uh, they are giving more fund to run your, and they are giving more tax benefits also. Okay, so so startups. India is what is the first we know our it. Okay, the three slogan we heard frequently is the startup India, making made in India, okay, making India and digital India. Okay, here we are focusing only for startups India. The startup India is a flagship initiatives of the government of India intended to build a strong ecosystems that is conducive for the growth of startup business to drive sustainable economic growth and generate large scale employment opportunity. Okay, here instead of you looking the placement, okay, you can able to create the employability, okay, and can go for the largest scale level also. Okay, the governments through the initiative aim is empower the startups to grow through innovation and design. Okay, so here again the ultimate aim of our honorable Prime Minister is don't look for the job creator, okay, don't looking for the job seekers, okay, don't go for the job creators. Okay, so that's the reason they are saying that, okay, uh, you must for the job creator instead of the job seeker. Okay, sir, I aware IPR somewhat. Okay, what is the IP management? They will support for the, all the legals, everything. Okay, then if I come for the startups, okay, what shall I do? I am the new engineer. Okay, so I have some idea, but what shall I do? Here, this is thinking design. Okay, so first of all, the emphasis means we have to understand, okay, what are the needs in the society. Okay, for example, nowadays EV vehicle is a very big booming, okay, is a very big problem for charging. Okay, so everyone they are ready to purchase the vehicle, but due to the charge point, okay, they are struggling to purchase. Okay, it's a very big problem. This is a society problem. Same like that, your family or you or your college or your department, okay, or your friends, okay, definitely they have some problem. Same kind of problems, okay, if the n number of means, that is called as a society problem. Okay, so you first understand what is the need. Okay, so what is the user needs of the problem. Okay, then you think, okay, so what is the problem, real problem. First you understand, okay, observe all those things. Okay, then you think, okay, according to your thinking power, you think and you discuss with your friend circle, okay, and come out and you go for doing giving better solution, try for the better solution to rectify the problem. Okay, so that is comes under the prototype. Then if you trial 3 times 4 times means that is comes under test. Now what happen again, you have something, this type of problem means this is the solution. Okay, so definitely what happen if you go the next one, same like that. Okay, so if you do, that is called as the design thinking. Okay, I am giving one example to you. Here also we look the advertisement. One person in the toll gate, okay, the toll keeper, he is saying, okay, no amount, you go back. Okay, what happened immediately? He take the mobile phone and charge immediately with the help of some other app. Okay, immediately the door will open, and what happened? He smiled and he is moving the car forward. Okay, so here what happened? You just think we think as a driver position. Okay, you have to come out. Okay, and what is the driver problem? Okay, how we can able to give the solution. Okay, like that you have to think. Then only you can come out from the that position. Okay, so don't think as a user. Okay, don't think, you have to think as a problem solver. Okay, so like that you have to think and come out, and means automatically you are also come with some idea. That idea is a unique, is a novelty, is definitely it is using for the some other industry. Okay, here who is the industry? Society is the industry. Okay, so that society definitely getting the benefit means automatically you can implement that one. Okay, so next Yeah, so already I discussed the EV vehicle is a very, very big problem. Okay, so if you have any related this idea, you can.
Registration fees.
Please mute your mic.
எவ்வளவு பாப்பை
14,725 ல இருந்து
கையில
Yeah, so here you can able to give the solution towards the society problem is okay. Definitely, you become as a new entrepreneur. Okay, if you go for register under the Startups India Innovatives, okay, definitely you have so many benefits. It's self certification, tax exemption. Okay, so easy winding of company and startup patent application or IPR productions. They are giving funding support to you and yearly public procurement norms and the SIDBI funds. Okay, you can eligible to get. Now I am giving some tips to you. Okay, look here this picture. Okay, so here this is the scan machine. Is the old days. Okay, once we look this type of machine, what happened immediately? I have here. Okay, so immediately my mind everything is what happened. Some automatically the stress automatically okay is induced inside. Okay, so no need to think automatically. What happened? I have some fear, stress, tense. Okay, all those things. Okay, so I am thinking. I am planning to what else? We change the structure. Now you look, this is the new one. So if I am looking, okay, this is also is a scan machine. Okay, this, compared to the right side. Okay, so here also what happened immediately the surrounding, all those things, the table, chairs, the track, there are some hotels, okay, the what the bed, clothes, everything. Okay, again it's looking some other field. Okay, so anyway, I improved my design, even though I have little bit fear. Okay, so little bit things. Okay, now you what happened? I'm changing the environment. I'm changing the paint, very attractive colors. Okay, the bed also it's like that flight mode or ship mode. Okay, like that. What happened immediately? I'm looking the atmosphere. Okay, so automatically I am enjoying the surrounding situation. Okay, and automatically the tense stress automatically okay is going out. Okay, so the purpose is same only, but how we can implement. Okay, how can we implement? That is very very important. Okay, this is called as the innovation. Okay. Here you look the pressure cooker, the very in the 1680s, what is the shape of the pressure cooker in the 1930s, okay, they started for another one. Now it's today is the electrical mode pressure cooker, okay, so automatically we control all those things. Okay, so that the innovation thinking and the critical thinking is like that is both sides of the coin, okay, without one particular side, okay, that is no use. So here we have to think towards the double diamond method. Okay, so the TRL level 1, 2, 3 is comes under the pre-incubation center. Okay, so this is called as the double diamond approach or method. Okay, here we start our research towards the idea to some other okay so level for the proof of concept level. Okay, that level we can able to develop our ideas. It is comes under the pre-incubation. Okay. So this is the TRL level. Okay. So here we are discussing each and every college we have the R&D department. That department we are saying is full-fledged work is going on. We are publishing this much work, that this everything. Okay, that including the patent level, everything is at TRL 6 only. Okay, so after 7, 8, 9, we have to go for the market for the for that business level. Then only our TRL level we can fulfill that one. Okay, so here the basic technology research we are starting. Then we go for the proof level. Then we are developing that particular technology. Then we are giving the demonstration. Then we are going for the subsystem development. Then finally we are launching the products. Okay, so these are comes under the TRL. So here I am giving some example. Okay, so old days products. Now it's a new. Okay, what is the updations? All those things. Here what happened? Here you have to think idea and whatever idea while going the bus or some other places. Okay, immediately coming now. You take one sticky paper and write your idea very shortly or some other understanding level and go and paste your room. Okay, then prolong if you go and take the ideas, all those things and make it the streamline. Okay, in the particular area, what are the ideas is that all the ideas you consider, then work towards that particular idea because you have to think the particular area only means okay. So you have the right person to modify the particular area. Okay, that you can implement. Here I given the Apple phone one example and Gillard's pressures and another one is indoor lights. Okay, so here like that pumping system, all those things I am giving some example. This is the old days. What is that? Nowadays, what is that? Okay, here is the our thinking level and the innovation level is going for the higher order. Okay, so nowadays still now is the research is going on. Okay, so we don't know what is the new one. Okay, who will come and give. Okay, so those who are able to think to the next level, they can able to give the solution to the society. Okay. Yeah, nowadays very popular wherever you go for the mall, everything is the AR VR is the very popularized gaming. Okay, so in the virtual reality, okay, that one we can able to enjoy the all those things. Okay, that is also called as the innovation. Here look is a some umbrella. Okay, the same color is the same row, and they are making some different arrangements. Here we look automatically what happened. We have some imitation. Okay, so this type of innovative work we are trying somewhat. Okay, so he's a popular actor. Okay, so after looking his film, automatically what happened while coming out the theater, our hand, leg, body, everything we are turned somewhat. Okay, very actively. Okay, once we see this film, immediately our body getting some imitation. Okay, very actively the children's everything they are moving the body, hands, legs, everything. Okay. So these are called as the imitation. So after the imitation, what happened? We have planned something. So now this IPL is going on. Okay. Once your favor bowler or batsman, okay, or any team member, okay, according to the imitation, you are also going for the playground and you are playing the crickets. Okay, you are trying that type of shot or bowling, all those things. This is called as the imitation. Apart from the imitation, what is your involvement? What is your thinking? What is your creativity? Okay, so what is your innovation? That is very, very important. Okay, here is a very famous film. The few months before. Okay, it's came. Okay, so everyone we are also imitated this one. Okay, so these are the imitations. Okay, right. So next is the entrepreneurs. So here you just avoid entrepreneur means is as a person. For I am doing the business. Okay, so I am the entrepreneur. Okay, so I am doing some process work. Okay, that is called as the entrepreneurship. Okay, my company is what happen is an enterprise. Okay, through that one I'm earning the money or I'm doing the business or those things. Okay, so this is called. So what is the critical thinking? Critical thinking is again same as the problem. So the problem, okay, we are thinking the different technological way. Okay, and I got some solution. I am trying that one. That is the critical thinking. Okay. here look is a BMW car, is a very old days too, is a new days. Okay, so what happened, the stage by stage that year they are developing the vehicle. Okay, so nowadays BMW vehicle means, okay, everyone is a new attracts. Okay, so that is the innovation. Is we implement the product in the next stage, next level. Okay. So here I am giving some tips to you. Okay. So what type of business? Okay. What type of startups you can able to think? Okay. Here you look our population as per the January 14, 2022 is 140 crores. Okay. In this 140 crores, the 0 to 25 years of age people is a 50%. Okay, the 25 age means hardly your age also is in that only. Okay, you are also comes under this 50% population. Here the education is very important. Okay, from 5 years to 25 years, we are we are learning. The 20 years, the education is very, very important. Through the education, okay, so we can support for some other nowadays due to the pandemic situation, there are a lot of digital education platform came. Okay, through that you can think somewhat. Okay, then is the entertainment. So every Indian, okay, he or she is watching the video, the cell phone. Okay, so 200 minutes per week. Okay, this is the statistics report. Okay, so you look here, the YouTube nowadays is a very big booming. Okay, so a lot of information we can gather from the YouTube. Okay, so and you can play the video or sorry games or something. Okay, so that is also the entertainment is there. And logistics is very very big problem still now in our country. Okay, we are also aware that the first way is the oxygen problem. The time we can't transfer the oxygen one place to another place, but we have the sufficient oxygen. Okay, but we can't transfer one place to another place. Immediately, the railway department supported to converted the tankers. Okay, lot of things, and they send the lorry to lorry for each and every state. Okay, the logistics is very very big and important. And the food and food service, you just think it the food every day. We want 3 times food. Okay, tea, snacks, everything. Okay, just imagine 140 crore of people they have to take food. Okay, so at least minimum 2 times. Okay, so they have to take the food. So that food harvesting, that vegetable, fruits, okay, all ingredients we want to cultivate from that one, and then that we have to transfer one place to another place. So we have to store. Okay, we have to sell. Okay, so all these comes under the food items, the food services. Okay, travel and hospitality. Okay, so India is the largest number what the travel and hospitality in the Asia. Okay, so here also the transport facilities and hotel, all those things. Okay, we have to think that is also one big thinking. Next is healthcare. Okay, so the medicine, medical, hospital, pharmacy. Okay, these all this comes under the healthcare. Okay, so there are also a lot of business opportunities there. And other than one is a very big issue is that is for the wastage. Okay, so it's for that every day we are wasting lot of materials, food, okay, all those things. There no proper disposal. Okay, that is very very big issue in the entire world, particularly our India. Okay, if you have any idea or you plan to do anything, okay, so nowadays the plastic bottle, carry bags, everything is plastic related, everything is government, they are doing the ban. Okay, so here if you give the right solution, okay, you can able to do the your startup. Okay, so it's just some few points about the startups. Okay, so startup is a company that is the initial stage of the business. Okay, for example, you is that you can approach your college, your innovative EDC cell or IDC IAC coordinator. Okay, if you have any ideas, okay, you can able to work under the pre-incubation and incubation center. Okay, so founder normally is a finance their startup. They may attempt to attract outside investment before they get off the ground. Okay, so I am the one entrepreneur. Okay, I am started some idea. Yesterday, our students came. He said, "Sir, we are going to start for the real estate." Okay, so immediately we but that appreciate and we given slot to work under the pre-incubation center to develop their website, all those things. Okay, so all kind of comes under the business only, not for the product development, some mechanical or some other things or related components, not like that. Okay, whatever, what everything comes under the business only. Okay, so funds. So fund sources, what is that from our packet or from first our family member, parents or friends or some other, okay, venture capitals, okay, or grow funds or loans, bank loans, everything we can approach and we can take over. Startup must be considered where they will do business and their legal structures. So you have to register properly under some other agency, okay, then you have to do your business. Then then only you can able to claim the funds, supports, all those things. Okay. Then the startups comes under the higher risk as their failure is very possible, but they can also be very unique place to work with great benefits. They focus on the innovation and the great opportunity to learn. So you just look at those who are doing the job, okay, and take one's list, and those who are doing the business, what is the life structure, what is this doing the work, okay, lifestyles, okay, check it. Automatically, you also aware all those things. Okay, what is their growth, what is um, their activities, everything. Okay, here I am giving 100 names. Okay, so you can able to see. Okay, so in these 100 names, you can somewhere is a very familiar. Okay, so here I am giving some names. Is the 12 is the OLA. Okay, so immediately we know that is the OLA is one of the startup. Okay, here under startups name I given the 6 upgrade. Okay, then is the 54 car deco. Okay, so these are some company names. Okay, I'm giving definitely you all of them using Paytm or Google Pay. Once you pay the money, automatically they are giving some offer to you through this company. Okay, the third one is the Paytm. Okay, while using this one, automatically they are giving some what that offer to you. If you use this one, is the 50% offer, 100 rupees offer, 200 rupees offer, like that. The 11th one is the Unacademy. Okay, so Unacademy, they are very popular. They are conducting the IPL or somewhat. Okay, we know that. Okay, so I'm showing to you another 100 names. Okay, here also you can able to look so many very popular names. Okay, 108 Zomato. Okay, I think you can aware all those things. 144 Swiggy. Okay, so these all comes under the startup. Okay, so I show one more 100 names to you. Okay, 277 Ghana. Okay, so 293 Scott. Okay, so these all comes under the startup. Okay, so it's a small company. They started with a small company with a small room. Okay, with some technology. Okay, they are doing the business. Okay, you are also, you can think, you can able to do. Okay, okay, so nowadays one what the talk is there. Okay, so business means so risk. So what are the risks are there? What is the failure? Okay, so what are the failures? What is the percentage of the failures? So marketing problem. So if you can't give wide advertisement, okay, that is the big problem. Okay, so you have to give wide publications, advertisement. Okay, to the market. Then only all they will aware about your products. Okay, so for long your name will come out. Okay, continuously means automatically what happened? They will aware your company name. Okay, automatically is a known company. Okay, so that is the marketing problem. Is the 50% risk is there. Okay, you have to think about that one first of all. Then team problem. So you're now you are forming a team. Okay, so then what happened? The 80% of failure is fall on the teams only. The financial problem is the 16%. Okay, so technical problem only 6%, and operational problem 2%. The legal problems, the law, all okay, everything only 2%. So here, what is that? Marketing is very, very important. Okay, so that's the reason the advertisement and everything you have to take care of. Okay, that is very big issue. Here I am giving some tips to you. Okay, here already some of the school students they design the products based on the society problem. Okay, okay, prove that knowledge they given us here. Some tips to you. Okay. So the right side, everything is the students, school students, they are innovative products. The left side is the uneducated people, they are doing the business. Okay. How you can able to support these people. Okay. Here I am giving more, okay, how to rectify the problem. Okay. What is the innovative? What is the thinking? Everything. I am showing here, it's few more example. Okay. The left side, you look here, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so in the Kanyakumari, one students also he given some tablet related support. Okay, the smart wristband. Okay, the old age people. Okay, so they are forget for taking the medicine on time. Okay, it will give some deep sound. Okay, it will support for taking the food that particular medicine. So this type of support. Then you already aware that is, through IIC they are conducting so many programs. Okay, the first level they are conducting inspiration, motivation, ideation related to the program. The next the proof of concept development related. Now it's going on quarter 3. Okay, the 5th program. Now we are discussing workshop on intellectual property rights. Okay, and IP management for startups. This is for the business developing level program. Okay, then is the validation, and you have to go for the business level. Okay, so these are the program. Okay, you are from your college. They plan to organize in this semester. Okay, you go and listen all the programs. Okay, and you get awareness and start your startups or venture. Okay, and get more benefits. Okay, so these are my reference. So any doubt, any queries? Okay, so you may ask. Otherwise, note down this is my mobile number, email ID. You can interact with me. I think so. Hopefully, I can share few points for eye-opening session as per your principal words. Okay. If you have any doubt, feel free. You can contact. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Your session is very good. Anybody have doubt? Sorry.
I thank you, sir, from the bottom of my heart for the wonderful words and time from your busy schedule to the guest speaker at our webinar. Your presence and wise words helped magnify our task in the best possible way. It was very joyful. Now I call upon Roshan Kumar from Second Biomedical Electronics, Biomedical Engineering to deliver vote of thanks.
A very happy morning to all. Thank you is a magical word when it is said with a soulful heart and mind. I take this opportunity to thank who put their efforts to make this workshop on intellectual property rights and IP management for startups organized by the Department of Biomedical Engineering in association with Institution Innovation Council a successful one. Firstly, I thank Dr. M. Prem Kumar, Principal of Paavai Engineering College and President of Institution Innovation Council. Thank you, sir. With huge pleasure, I thank our chief guest, Dr. R. Dhanasekar, Innovation Ambassador, IIC Convener, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, for sharing his valuable time with us and your information. I assure, sir, this information will be very valuable to our students. Thank you, sir. I
Thank
thank
you.
Dr. K.
Yeah,
I
please
thank
continue.
Dr. K. I thank Dr. K. Sundaramurthy, Vice President of Institution Innovation Council, Professor of Mechanical Department. Thank you, sir. I thank our convener, Dr. R. Mohanapriya, Associate Professor, ECE Department. Thank you, ma'am. I thank our event organizer, Dr. K. Bhaskar, Institution Innovation Member, Associate Professor of Biomedical Department, for organizing this event. Thank you, sir. I welcome our EDC coordinator. I thank our EDC coordinator, Dr. S. Pugulendi, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Department. Thank you, sir. I thank all the head of the department and faculty members for their support. Thank you all. And lastly, I thank all the students for their continuous support and cooperation from start to end of this workshop. Thank you, students. Once again, I thank each and everyone for their support and cooperation. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Roshan Kumar. Thank you all for the wonderful cooperation. Kindly please register feedback link posted in the chat box.
Thank you, sir. Dhanasekar, sir.
Thank you, Bhaskar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, shall we end, sir?